Michael.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I am washing Maggie's pants.
Michael. What did you eat? What did they give you to eat? You're washing my sister's pants. Have you ever washed my pants? Have I ever asked you to wash my pants?
She asked me to, so...
And you what? Michael, I'm talking and you're still washing. Are you alright?
Jennifer, why?
Jennifer, why what? Why are you washing my sister's pants?
Why this? Why?
I mean, if it's something you ate, say it. Let's know how to tackle this matter. What is the problem? Huh? Can you look at yourself? Can you freaking look at yourself?